How to see other viewers on your Facebook story. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily view other viewers on your Facebook story. So what I'm talking about here is if I open up my Facebook and from here head over to my story. You will see all of your viewer list on the bottom of your screen, and if you swipe up you will get a list of your viewers. Now if you have multiple viewers and you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you will see there are a certain number of people that is listed on other viewers. Now if you want to see who the other viewers are, all you have to do is head over to your menu section first. Now from here, all you have to do is tap on the gear icon to open your settings and privacy. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see this option called, you will have to navigate your way to this stories. Now just tap on it, and here you have an option on who can view your stories. It's most probably by default set to friends. Now you have to tap on custom, and once you do that you will see a list of all of your friends right here, and if you swipe left, if you have multiple friends, it will show you the list of other viewers on your story. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I will see you on the next one.